skid steer. She went up the hill, so you turn and go up the hill too, okay, when you get onto the road, okay? Until you get onto the road, don't turn yet. Now start to turn. Don't turn too hard. There you go, a little less. There you go, a little less. Straighten her out, straighten her out. Get up on the middle of the road, kid. There you go. Head towards that big red barn. Then we gotta let this bale down so that Auntie can put it in the barn, okay? More that way. In the middle of the road, Nathan. I know. We're gonna go right up here. Right up through this pole area. There you go. Not too sharp. There you go. You're doing just fine. Straighten her out. Okay, dokie.
What is that?
That's a hay rake. Okay, watch what you're doing. We're gonna stop. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Now you're gonna grab the lever over here. Push it down a little. Push it that way. Yep. There you go. Push it a little more. Keep pushing it forward. Push it forward. Perfect. Oh, stop. Back it up a hair. Pick it up a hair. Okay, stop. Set it down a little more. A little more. Oh. Okay, now watch out. We're going to back her up. Okay, grab the steering wheel again. We're going to back up. Backing her up. Back up a little more, and then Auntie's gonna take it. Okay, we'll watch Auntie come and take it, okay? Put her in neutral. Okay. So put her in neutral, push that into neutral.
What does that mean?
Shove it up. There you go, that's good. Okay, pull your big lever there down. That's your throttle. Push it down. There you go. Here comes Auntie, let go. Let Auntie come and take it. Auntie's gonna come take your bale, okay? There goes your bale.
Backwards.
You want to play with it? Go ahead, pick it up. You can grab the joystick and lift the bucket up. See? Now stop. Now, go right or left with it and it'll tip the bucket. Other way. There you go. Not too far, you'll hit the ground. Bring her back up. Bring her back up some more. Alright, now bring her back down. Yep, and push it forward to bring it. Nope, push it forward to bring it back down. Just like a joy. Oh, there you go. Yeah, see, not bad, dude. Let's get a picture of that. Smile at me. Yeah, that's the way to drive a big rig, boy. There you go. Put her down a little bit so it's not quite so high in the air for your uncle. Okay, push it forward, so bring it down a little bit. There you go, a little more. There, a little more. A little more. There you go. Pretty good. All right, now turn the key and we'll kill this tractor.
Which way?
Yep, turn the key toward the left.
Which way?
Yep, that way, just like you're doing. Go ahead and kill it.
That way?
Yep, yep. Perfect. That's baling, dude.